Hi and welcome to this edition of Out of the Box. My name is Paul. Today we're going to have a look at what is in this box. This is a Cudy home mesh system. This is the M1300. It has a AC rating of 1200. That means its total theoretical throughput is about 1.2 gigabits a second. What does that mean in real terms? That means about a maximum of about 600 megasecond in the 2.4 gigahertz frequency and around about 600 megabits a second in the 5 gigahertz. To your actual device, that probably means around about 300 megabits a second. So if that runs faster than your internet, then this could be a good option for your home setup. It comes in a pack of 3. Not going to be a big technical overview. You can see a how-to and a performance review over on our website and also YouTube, so head on over there. Let me run through though what you're going to get in the box. You're going to get 3 of the items, which we'll have a look at in a moment, and then you are going to get a number of, you're going to get a little conformity guide, you're going to get a set of other products that Cudy make guide, you're going to get an installation guide, and you're going to get another quick installation guide as well. This one is a lot bigger with much more pictures in it, how to get the app going. This can be managed directly from an app locally as well, and some of it remotely depending on how you set it up, so it's pretty good. You're also going to get probably about a 1.5 meter Ethernet cable, and you're going to get 3 power packs. We're here in Australia, so that's the Australian power that end, and then you've got your 12 volt pin at that end. Right, let me just move those all to the side so we have a little bit more space in here. Then you're going to get 3 of the devices themselves. What's the idea of the mesh? Well, as you can see, they're a cylinder shape. They have a couple of Ethernet ports on the back here. All right, and this is where we're going to plug in our power, obviously, to here. And then in the bottom one, this is going to go into your internet connection, or maybe your current router. And then maybe you've got a computer or something else that can be put into that port there. We've got our reset and our linking pin, linking button. The idea being that we're going to put one of these in our main location, and then maybe somewhere towards where we normally have a dead spot, not actually in the dead spot, but some of the way there, we're going to put another one of these. And this will actually wirelessly link between the two and repeat the signal as one wireless network for you. And as your device then moves between inside your property, you will then reconnect to whichever device is closer. And then obviously, because this is a 3-pack, you might put this third one upstairs or in another room as well to give you good coverage. Each one, as you can see, has 2 Ethernet ports on the bottom. And so again, where you have that in another room, you've also now got 2 Ethernet ports. So you could plug in a smart TV or a laptop or something that's maybe not wireless to it as well. So let me just show you around one of the units. Really, we've looked at everything that's on here. There's no real moving parts. On the front, we've got an indicator, I think, that goes white from memory when it's got internet connection, red when it can't. We've got heat vents up here on the top. And at the bottom. That is really what there is in the box. You're going to spread those out across your house and it's going to give you the best Wi-Fi coverage that you can. Head on over to our YouTube channel. Plenty more box openings on network, firewall, wireless devices. Plenty of how-to guides, how to set up a Cudy home mesh as well. So why don't you head over there, subscribe and stay up to date.